Hello YouTube, Batman Original here, bringing you another unboxing video. Can't read the title. It is a Captain Spaulding bust done up by BLACKAPPLEFX. He recently made this bust. It was 3D sculpted by another artist, and two artists actually, I believe. And then Jay fixed it up and painted it and haired it and all that. This is probably the best Captain Spaulding bust that I've ever seen. Actually pretty fast at making them. I think I ordered it in October time. So this will be the last piece of the year for me. So without further ado, I present to you Captain Spaulding. Don't you like clowns? Don't we make you laugh? Aren't we fucking funny? Man, lightweight. That's the bust, guys. That's what he looks like. Right there. Looks just like Captain Spaulding, don't it? Very nice pack job. This is my first piece by BLACKAPPLEFX. Oh wow. See the top of his head. If you guys want one of these, go contact BLACKAPPLEFX on Instagram or go to his website. Normally his pieces are limited, so if you guys want one, I highly recommend going on and getting one now. Don't know how many of them he's made. Oh wow. Dang. Holy shit. Wow. Daggone, dude. That ain't Captain Spaulding. I don't know what it is. Translucent resin. He's even got some back hairs, some chest hairs. It's a nice touch. Dang, dude. It actually looks like actual makeup on them instead of just paint. Wow. Highly recommend getting one of these if you guys are House of a Thousand Corpses fans. Oh, here he is, guys. Captain Spaulding. I have the, like I said, you can get the eyes straight or looking off to the side. And I wanted mine to be looking off to the side, so dang, dude, he delivered. He delivered. Got here from the United Kingdom. Definitely make more videos on this bad boy. But I mean, you can't get no better than that. Wow. Jay, thank you so much, brother. Jason, I think it's Jason Gray. I don't want to say his name wrong. Jay Gray, Jason Gray, one of the two. Jason Gray, my bad. Jason Gray of BLACKAPPLEFX. He makes all different kinds of busts. But man, I seen this, I had to get it. This is the best Captain Spaulding that money can buy. It smells a little funny. Probably because it's packed up. Let me turn the camera around and show you guys what he looked like. He's a perfect size too. He's not too big, he's not too small. There he is, guys. I mean, you can't get no better than that. Did I stutter, bitch? Very, very cool. Crazy. great job. I mean, it's even got little yellow spots on the eyes, teeth, real hair on the beard. Shirt's all stained up and weathered. I was gonna put the hot dog shirt on here, but probably wouldn't really make any sense because the hot dog would be down here, so I might just keep this the way it is. It even got the little chest hairs. I mean, you can't get no better than that, guys. Captain Spaulding in the flesh. Well worth the wait. Jason, thank you again, brother. This is my only piece from him. And if I ever find a cool looking piece that he offers, I will definitely be getting it, because I mean, you can't get no better than this. But anyways, guys, just wanted to quick share that with you all. Thumb this video up if you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more videos. And we'll see you later, clown fucks.